Hey, MathKook here. This video contains one of many examples in my Algebra 2 library. The rest of those examples, along with hundreds of other videos, are only available at mathkook.com. Let's MathKook it up. This question says simplify log base 5 of 1 over 25 without using a calculator. All right, so there are two ways that we can approach this question of simplifying this log. Let's look at method 1 first. So for method 1, we are going to use the equation log base b of b to the x equals x. So this is a log rule. As long as you get the base and the argument to be the same number, you can cancel them out and it'll equal the exponent x, whatever x is. All right, so let's go ahead and bring down our log here. And the base is 5. So we want to get this 25 to be 5 to the something. So 25 is equal to 5 squared. So let's go ahead and rewrite this. So this would be log base 5. And that'll be 1 over 5 squared. Now we don't want the 5 to be on the bottom. We want to move this 5 squared to the top. So what do we do to move this 5 squared to the top? Well, the exponent is positive here, so it'll become negative. So let's rewrite our log. So we have log base 5, and then when we move the 5 squared up, it becomes 5 to the negative 2. All right, so now this is in grade form. This mirrors our log rule here, which is log base b of b to the x equals x. So notice the base here and the argument are the same. So they cross out essentially, and we're left with negative 2. So this log simplifies to negative 2. All right, let's take a look at method 2. For method 2, we're going to set our log expression equal to x, and then we're going to change it to exponential form using this diagram here. So we have our log form here. We start with a base, and then we raise it to y here. So we're going to start with the base, raise it to y, and then set it equal to x. So then we'll end up with b to the y equals x, the argument. All right, so let's go ahead and bring down our log. We will set it equal to x. And then we'll change it to exponential form. So we're going to start with the base. So in this case, the base is 5. We're going to raise it to x and set that equal to our argument, which is 1 over 25. All right, so we have 5 to the x equals 1 over 25. And again, we want to get the same base. So in this case, the base is 5. Here, 25, we're going to change that just like we did over here to 1 over 5 squared. So the process is kind of similar, actually. Then we're going to bring up that 5 squared. We're going to move it to the top and make the exponent negative. So now this is really nice because we have the bases as the same number. They're both 5. So when that happens, you can cross them out and then set the exponents equal to each other. So in this case, x is just going to equal negative 2. So we'll write that over here. So x equals negative 2. So that tells us that our log here simplifies to negative 2. You can kind of ignore the x at this point because we weren't solving an equation that involved x in it. We just used x as a kind of a temporary variable to help us simplify this expression. So this expression simplifies to negative 2, which confirms our answer for method 1. Hey Kook, if you found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe, and drop a comment. For unlimited access to all of my Algebra 2 videos, visit mathkook.com. Thanks for watching.